Thank you, bro. Is it gonna stall out? Yeah. Oh shit. All right. God damn it. I don't know if y'all can hear that thing. Hold on. We gotta get to that. Come to find out, it's my friends. There you go. Yo, I heard that shit. I was like, what the fuck?
He smoked the fucking shit out of me, bro. 1600 horsepower. It is so fucking fast. I'm on crack right now. I'm on fucking crack right now.
Yo.
Yo, this is Richie, by the way. This is my friend J-Bo.
J-Bo.
I seen another bike. I was like, I'm gonna fuck another one up. I was like, that's my boy.
That shit got B-locks on it? Oh my god. What the fuck? Nice meeting you, bro.
I like racing bikes. Cars don't got nothing.
Yeah, I see. Holy shit. Well, I gotta call my mans now.
Man, I put the hurt on them today.
Hold on, I gotta show my man this shit.
God.
What year is this?
18.
It's nice.
AMS twin turbo kit.
Holy
AMS,
shit.
5+ transmission.
Holy
shit. Dyno tuned by T1. Fucking injector dynamics. I'm literally going to Texas 2K this week.
Holy shit. I gotta show my boy. I heard that shit. I'm like, yo, who the fuck got an R8?
Your first 7-second car? My first supercar.
Yeah, he lost. That shit fast as shit. I heard it, bro. That shit crazy. I gotta show Joemis. Yo, look. All right. Wow. Sit, yo, the dude said he got 1600 horsepower. It's a 7-second car. He did, yo, he dicked the Ducati. I'm not even gonna race it. Fuck no. That shit crazy, bro. Yo, he did a pull and I heard this shit like down the shit. I'm like, who got an R8?
Damn, you got the V10 still, right?
Is this a V10? Yeah.
Wow.
V10 twin turbo on 29 PSI.
Yeah, it's...
Is he running ethanol or not?
Huh?
Is he running ethanol?
I'm running E85, yeah. Right now I'm only on E70, so I'm not fully turned up. I need E85 or better, so when I race, I'm usually on like E90. But I think I'm at like 71. I'm on Wawa fucking E85 pump.
That's awesome.
So I'm down to around 1,000 horsepower, but it's still fucking street bikes up.
Wow, I bet, man. Oh,
Yeah.
Shit, I'm a good way.
Yeah, the drag radials are holding up. I'm still spinning a little bit, but...
Oh, shit. Oh, it's still rear-wheel drive only?
No, it's all-wheel drive. I'm spinning I can spin all 4 wheels at 100.
Damn.
It's stupid. The first time I tried racing this boy, I just broke loose and I just stayed in it though. I was sideways passing him.
Wow.
Fuck
was
that.
my 40 roll.
Right now.
Huh?
How much does the car weigh right now?
3490 with me in it.
Wow, dude, that's crazy.
It's the full carbon fiber package.
Holy shit, man. That's amazing.
The turbos add a couple 100 pounds to it, so.
Right. With all the plumbing and all that. Damn,
Yeah, and I took weight out originally, but it keeps wheeling on the track, so I had to put weight back in it.
That's awesome as hell, man.
Look at the tires.
He said you about to go to Texas and you about to race down there.
2K,
Yeah, Texas 2K. I don't know if you ever heard of it. I never heard of
Does
it.
he got a YouTube channel?
You got a YouTube?
Yeah, everybody tells me to get one. I don't do it.
Yo, you should.
I know.
Definitely should, man.
This shit'll be perfect.
Hell yeah.
This is crazy. Yo, Joemis, I swear, bro. I can't even, like, I got it on the video. Like, literally, I'm just sitting at a red light and all I hear is him do a pull. I'm like, who the fuck is that?
That thing must sound amazing, yo.
Bro, that shit's crazy, bro.
I'll see you at the Wawa.
All right. I'll meet y'all there.
I think you said there was some contest, so we might want to.
Alright, man. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, yo.
Alright.
Holy shit. That thing is crazy, yo. How can I welcome y'all to a video? I don't even know how to welcome y'all to that. What the hell did I just see? Yo, this shit sounds so crazy.
I wish you could see how fast. He went, and I was like, why am I not moving? No. I can't believe you overbridged to that cop. Yo, too bad he couldn't keep up when I was on my fucking car on Forza. Brother, do you want to rewind? Right there.
Oh, fuck. Gotta get that Velcro on.